Okay guys, vlogging some things that I need to build, and we know I suck at building, so of course I have Marley here. This is the building go-to girl. She likes to build everything, so all the things that do you have any videos of like the fence and stuff that you did at your house?
Yeah, we have to go back in time though.
Okay, well send them to me so I can like show people on here so they can see all the things.
Okay.
All right, well join us as we build a couple things today. You're such a good dad helping out with the kiddos while we build. Sharif is so excited. Look at his face. Look at the new chair. First thing done. I know I need to clean up. Don't judge. Next thing is this thing. I've had this for almost 6 months. So this is to like put a TV on so when I'm recording, I can see myself to see if it's in the middle. Y'all. It can be challenging to do all the projects that you want in your house. So make sure you create a project list. So I've been having a couple of things just like lingering around my house, and I'm like, I need to have one of my really good friends to come and help me like create it and put it up. So I want to show you a few things that we did, but look, we did this. So this will sling out so I can see myself when I'm recording my YouTube videos. You already see my new office, but I've been sitting on this thing here. But now I have this. We created that too. And we put one more thing up. I felt like it took forever, but I feel like that's just kind of what projects look like. And then we also put this up in my garage. Let me show you. It's time to get organized. Like I've been in here since really October, but you see, that's up now. And then we had one more project that we couldn't really finish today. Which is this. This is my laundry room. I actually think I'm gonna get this wallpaper that's gonna be super cute in here. It's gonna give like cute green vibes. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna put this piece of wood. It's this thing, hold on. It's gonna go all the way across, and it's gonna be an area where I can like easily reach because this is way too tall. Like everything in this house is for tall people. I ain't tall. And then the other project that I have someone come in to do is they're gonna change out all my locks. So I have like automatic locks, and then I'll put up my ring. So all of that stuff will be here. You see the Ring Elite, the 2 little door things. Then these will be my 6 cameras that I'm having someone do. And the next time she comes over, we're gonna finish. I had one of my homeboys start this, but he did not finish. So this is gonna be a shelf. This has been sitting on my garage floor since I've gotten here. So I'm having her put that up next time she's here. And then I need to put this in my attic because there's no tree in there. It's still in the house. I need to decorate for Christmas now. So much to do, so little time. And then let me show y'all another project. I'm gonna do hardware, these cute little hardware things on all of my hardware in my kitchen. So it's gonna be all over all of this. I'm excited. So much to do, so little time. And it's freezing, so I got the fire on. I love my little house, it's coming together. Oh yeah, another thing that me and her are gonna do is like these little wall molding. We'll put it over there, and then we'll also put it over there. It'll mirror over there. So I think like either 3 or 2 on this wall, and then 2 on that wall. So, and I haven't gotten a dining room table just yet, guys. It's coming soon. Remember, when you move into your house, do not spend all of your money on all furniture. This is my actual primary bedroom. I'm gonna put a king size bed in because the primary bedroom that I had is like one of my guest bedrooms now. So what I've been using this for is storage. So I've been like cleaning up my closet because I'm going into more of the quiet luxury energy and vibes. So she just took a whole bunch of clothes. These are the clothes that my niece said that she liked. These are shoes that I like, but I just haven't put them back in there. These are shoes that I don't like that I need to get rid of. Don't judge me. I know I need to clean up my bathroom. This whole area is about to be redone. IKEA, I have some IKEA stuff coming in. You see some of it there, but I just haven't gotten it all. So I got quite a few projects. So this is a quick little update. Let me show you the other part of the house just so you guys are aware. So of course, this is my living room space. Y'all know how big my backyard is. It's a complete acre. I've been needing to find someone to do the fence. That's another project. And then I actually did build-ins from IKEA, which they look super built-in, right? I need to organize and do all that. This is, of course, my content room. This is something I'm super excited about because when I'm doing my content, I can at least see what I'm actually doing on there. And then this is the other part of the house. This part is done. This is my old master bedroom. And then I have like pink pillows. I gotta put up curtains. I love all the tall ceilings. And so does Jake. And then this bedroom, right now it's holding all my laundry that I have been neglecting, which is not the best, but I don't know what I'm gonna do in here. I think I want like neutral colors. That's more girly, so I want this to be a little bit more like neutral. And then this bathroom, I'm not that bathroom. This is my fourth bedroom. I make it into a gym right now. I love my lifestyle photo. So it's me and it's my gym and Jake's bedroom. I have a TV up for him whenever he wants to watch TV. I just added in this because I had this in my office. Still in the process. That is an update for my house. There's some other projects I want to do. Like I want to put tonsils things. I don't think that's what it's called. Where they hang down over this area. Just so much to do. But instead of doing it all, I'm gonna just take down my Thanksgiving decorations and put up my Christmas. And what I'll do is I'll put on the screen my project list. Because if you're one of those people who are wanting to do things to your house, remember, take it day by day. Don't spend all your money because it doesn't make sense to space it out. So you'll see my project list here. And that list is by months. My goal is to do all the things that I want this house to look like, I would say by May. I think that's plenty of time to get the house up to where I think it needs to be. All right, anyways, see you next time.
Oh my gosh, there she is. It's Kira Ford. Kira Ford. You don't know what? Never heard? Oh my gosh, she slays